Well, life has a certain way of working things out, I guess. I used to have one of these. I gave it to a friend of mine. They got it back. And the reason why they gave it back is because it quit working. So I gave it back. They gave it back to me, and then I ended up giving it to somebody else. You'll probably remember it from like 4 years ago. But I ended up getting 2 more, and they are different. Because you'll see when I post the other one, at the back cover are different on them both. Same standard old crap. Works just as it did brand new. Oscillation's a little fucky on this one, because I believe this one's the older one out of the 2. As you see, it's kind of struggling. This is a 12-inch Super. I have 2 of them, and the Mastercrafts are gone. Long since fucking gone. They turn out being Mastercrafts anyway. They're all shitty. So I got rid of them. There you go.